FAA Airframe A&P Study Guide, Aircraft Fuel Systems. Let's get your A&P license. We are very close to finish this chapter. Stay tuned in all of our channels to keep studying. Question 8747. What is the dielectric, non-conducting material in a capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system? Answer: fuel and air in the tank. Explanation: the dielectric used in the tank probes of a capacitor-type fuel quantity indicating system is the fuel and the air in the tank above the fuel. Fuel has a dielectric constant of approximately 2. Air has a dielectric constant of 1. Reference: FAA H 808331. Question 8748. A capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system measures fuel in. Answer: in pounds. Explanation: a capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system measures the density of the fuel. The dielectric constant of the fuel changes with its density. It indicates the quantity of fuel in pounds rather than in gallons. Reference: FAA H 808331. Question 8749. What are the 4 general types of fuel quantity gauges? Answer: sight glass, mechanical, electrical, and electronic. Explanation: the types of fuel quantity indicating systems used in aircraft are sight glasses, mechanical systems, electrical systems, and electronic systems. Reference: FAA H 808331. Question 8750. How does temperature affect fuel weight? Answer: cold fuel is heavier per gallon. Explanation: the density of aircraft fuel varies with its temperature. The colder the fuel, the more pounds of fuel there are in a gallon. Aircraft engines use fuel on the basis of its weight rather than its volume. Reference: FAA H 808331. Question 8752. When fuel quantity is measured in pounds instead of gallons, the measurement will be more accurate because fuel volume. Answer: varies with temperature change. Explanation: an indication of the weight of the fuel in an aircraft fuel tank is more important than a measure of its volume. The engine uses the fuel on the basis of its weight, and the volume of the fuel in the tanks changes as the temperature of the fuel changes. Reference: FAA H 808331. Question 8753. An electrical-type fuel quantity indicating system consists of an indicator in the flight deck and a float. Answer: in the tank that moves a connecting arm to the wiper on a variable resistor in the tank. Explanation: electric fuel quantity indicators operate with DC and use variable resistance in a circuit to drive a ratiometer-type indicator. The movement of a float in the tank moves a connecting arm to the wiper on a variable resistor in the tank unit. This resistor is wired in series with one of the coils of the ratiometer-type fuel gauge in the instrument panel. Changes to the current flowing through the tank unit resistor change the current flowing through one of the coils in the indicator. This alters the magnetic field in which the indicating pointer pivots. The calibrated dial indicates the corresponding fuel quantity. Keep studying. Every question takes you closer to your certification.